If it takes 3 people to 7 hours to dig this hole, how long should 5 people take? So to do this, you need to use reasoning. So the number of people is 3, and it takes 7 hours for 3 people to complete the job. You have to use reasoning. So if you times this by 2, meaning if you double the number of people, if 6 people are working on the job, then you would expect this to so if you times this by 2, you would expect this to be divided by 2, 7 over 2. If you put 9 people on the job, meaning if you times this by 3, if you put 9 people on the job, then you would expect the time to divide by 3. It has that kind of a relationship. If you just put 1 person on the job, meaning if you divide this by 3, then you would expect it to take 3 times as long, meaning 21 hours. It has that kind of a relationship. So if you times this by 2, then you divide this by 2. If you times this by 3, then you divide this by 3. If you divide this by 3, then you would times this side by 3. It has that kind of a relationship. So what you're really after is this. You're really after, what you're after is this. What you're after is 5 people on the job, and you're looking for this x here. You're looking for the x to represent the number of hours. So there's a special number that when you times this special number, then you would divide this same special number. So what is this special number? What is the number that takes you from 3 to 5? So what you do is you get the destination divided by the start. So it would be, this special number is 5 over 3. Because if you get 3 times this weird number, it would give you 5. Look, 3 times this number here, 5 over 3, it gets multiplied to the top, and then the 2 3's cancel each other out, leaving you with 5. So I know that if you get 3 times this special number, it will give you 5. That means, because of that special relationship, you times this by whatever, then you divide it by whatever. So I'm just going to divide it by the whatever over here. So the answer would be 7 divided by this special number. So that would be 7 divided by 5 over 3. So to do this, I'm going to leave the first alone and then times the reciprocal of the second, 3 over 5. So that would be 21 over 5. So the answer would be 21 over 5 hours. That's how long it should take. Okay?